Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Chainlink's price chart. And I think in the previous video we were right around this area, and the idea was that we need to be able to find a 1 2 3 4 and yet another move up into wave 5, and then we need to be a bit patient and see a correction structure on the downside, a slow and choppy move down. So what happens? We did complete a 5 wave on the upside in here, but I believe this was most likely into a C leg of an ABC flat, and next we got a very strong move down, and then we took the lowest low down here about $15.1. Now, in terms of Elliott's waves, I think you can actually argue this is from this point a 1 2 3 4 5 wave up, and in the short term we may have something like this from this high, like 1 2 3 4 5 into a correction for wave B, another move down into our C leg, and then I'm thinking at one point, hopefully soon, we are going to get a good move up in Chainlink in order to break all these levels. Why is that? Let's go around here. Okay, so you see, whenever you are having maybe like a series of lower highs and lower lows, which are very close together, or maybe you are having a consolidation pattern with like a beautiful range, in most cases, people go long or maybe short, and they put their stop losses under the lows and also highs in here. And the price usually has a tendency to destroy all those people. Now, let's go on the live chart and see what's happening. Let's actually hide everything. Okay, what do we have in here? This is a high, another one, this can be another one, and I am betting that a lot of people have put their stop losses for their short positions right above the highs. So I'm going to argue maybe after another small move down in Chainlink, we are going to get quite a good move up, and we are going to hit all of these people's stop losses, and at that point I believe we can say this might be a beautiful head and shoulder structure. And what is the target for it? Let's put the chart on regular first and then measure the height of our pattern from here to about this point and put it at our breaking point. This is giving us like, let's say, an $18-19 chain link, which means from the current point we can have like, yes, a 15 to potentially even, if we are lucky, 20% move on the upside. I think that is quite realistic, but pay attention, in the short term we may see a move down. However, as long as we are not taking the lowest low down here about $14.5, I think we can say this might be just a correction structure, hopefully in form of an ABC. And if we are like really lucky, this can be on a higher degree a wave 1, correction for 2, and what's next? Hopefully a good strong move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. And for now, I would like to go with this thing as my primary case, and I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Chainlink's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.